tell y'all that.
Dude, MJ was like, I said, God damn.
But it wasn't true. Both of y'all.
I was like, no, for real. I was like, I know I snore. And I was over there and I heard. I said, oh, Dad about to die. And I went over there and he was looking like he was in a coffin. He said, I said, oh, it ain't him. I said, it ain't him. And he said, and then MJ said, I said, oh, shit. They better not ever talk about me. I said, they better not ever talk about me.
But it's true to y'all. Y'all was.
Oh, you snore too, but your shit's baby. You got a baby snore. MJ got a baby snore too.
No, it wasn't baby. He gonna beat you. I said, damn it. I said, they're beating Billy. I said, shit, I know that. I know that.
He said he didn't know who was snoring harder.
Now, I knew Billy snore.
I snore.
You're right.
Ain't no doubt about it.
When MJ was snoring out, I said, damn. I said, he got Billy beat.
Hey, I thought he threw up and shit on himself. I said, oh, he shit and threw up on himself. He thought I was tired. Hey, that's what I do when I'm tired.
Yeah, right. Well, you sure but you know, but the first night you didn't snore.
Right.
But when I walked in there and I said, damn, I
Try to go to bed early.
it can't be Billy. I said, shit, I know
Bruh, I was sleeping. I said, who the hell over there doing that? Bruh, I jumped. I looked over the ledge like this.
He tried to make it sound like somebody woke him up.
Y'all did.
Somebody woke him up.
Y'all did.
Like somebody woke your ass up.
He woke his own.
You can't even reach the tomb that he's at.
I ain't gonna lie. So one of y'all woke me up. I was asleep. I heard. I jumped up and looked over my little ledge because you know my bed was low. My bed was low.
I mean, your shit is off. There's no rhythm to it, nothing.
He got no.
It's called survival.
You know what?
It's called survival.
Last night I got scared.